Hello, this is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter. Please follow us on this channel, subscribe to it. Also follow us on 24K, Instagram, and Twitter. We like positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we're unboxing the OtterSpot 10-watt wireless charging system. Now this comes with multiple pieces, so we're going to break it down for you. We're also going to have the video scroll over the pertinent so you can pause the video and take a look at all the details from the front and the back, because we know you can read that, so no problems there. Let's give a quick scroll. Okay, and now inside the box we have the OtterSpot kit, which comprises of one of these pucks. You get the USB Type-C charger here and the power button there. Get another one of these as well. So this is the base unit, because there's no further plugs. This has got the plugs on the bottom here. So what you can do is line these up, and they're magnetic, and then they start charging. So this is the base unit. This is an extender piece, so you can just take this with you, and it's a battery. And this is a 36-watt charging block right here. It's a USB Type-C and flip out for the wall charging. What we like about the OtterSpot is that it has wireless charging on top, fast wireless charging at 10 watts, and it has a USB Type-C port on the back. We're going to go ahead and give you a look at all the charging details right here, so you can go ahead and pause this video and take a look at your leisure. That's a lot of charging details for this little puck. And you also get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable, so that's very important. It's a thick cable. We like to see that the quality is there with these products. And you'll be able to find out more information about this through my Twitter account on 24K. This is Chris Roshnut, and you can follow me on Instagram as well at 24K. Thank you.